Welcome back to Auto Addicts, your ultimate stop for the most exciting car reviews from around the world. Before we dive into today's masterpiece, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our detailed reviews. Trust me, you won't want to miss what we have lined up. Today, we're talking about something truly extraordinary, a car that blends art, engineering, and sheer performance into one jaw-dropping package, the 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon. This hypercar is not just another fast machine, it's Bugatti's statement to the world about pushing boundaries further than ever before. From the very first glance, the 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon makes your heart race. Its exterior design is a perfect mix of aerodynamic precision and sculptural beauty. The iconic Bugatti horseshoe grille is still proudly displayed at the front, but now it's framed with ultra-slim laser headlights that stretch into the muscular fenders, giving the car a futuristic yet aggressive look. The entire front fascia is sculpted for maximum airflow, ensuring not just looks but also high-speed stability. Moving along the sides, you'll notice Bugatti's famous C-line design element beautifully integrated into the body, wrapping around massive air intakes that feed the monster engine behind the cabin. The roofline is low and sleek, flowing into a perfectly tapered rear where a dramatic full-width LED light strip and an active rear wing dominate the look. With carbon fiber everywhere, from the diffuser to the lightweight panels, the Tourbillon is not just about beauty but about shaving every gram possible while keeping it insanely strong. It's a rolling piece of art that looks alive even when standing still. Step inside, and the Bugatti Tourbillon's cabin is a fusion of luxury craftsmanship and motorsport minimalism. Bugatti has chosen the name, Tourbillon, after the intricate watchmaking mechanism, and it shows in the interior's attention to detail. The centerpiece is a set of analog-inspired digital gauges that look like luxury timepieces, sitting behind a futuristic flat-bottomed steering wheel. The cabin combines the highest quality leathers, polished aluminum, carbon fiber, and crystal-like switchgear that make you feel as though you're sitting inside $1 million timepiece. Despite its hypercar DNA, comfort has not been sacrificed. The seats are sculpted for both support and long-distance usability, while subtle ambient lighting and bespoke trim options allow each owner to make the cabin uniquely theirs. Infotainment is seamlessly integrated, but unlike many modern cars, Bugatti has kept distractions minimal, focusing on delivering a pure driving experience. Sitting inside the Tourbillon, you don't just feel like a driver, you feel like a pilot preparing for takeoff. And that feeling is justified, because under the hood lies one of the most extreme powertrains ever put into a production car. The 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon combines a naturally aspirated V16 engine with hybrid technology, producing an astonishing 1,800 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 1,800 horses at your command. This colossal power is sent through an advanced all-wheel drive system and a lightning-quick dual-clutch transmission, allowing the Tourbillon to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. Top speed, Bugatti claims it easily surpasses 280 miles per hour, making it not just one of the fastest cars in the world but also one of the most stable at those insane speeds. The hybrid system isn't just there for power boosts, it also improves efficiency slightly, enabling short electric-only driving in city conditions. But let's be real, nobody is buying the Tourbillon for efficiency. This is about unmatched performance, about creating a car that bends the laws of physics every time you press the accelerator. Of course, performance is nothing without control, and Bugatti has engineered the Tourbillon to handle like no other hypercar. Adaptive suspension, active aerodynamics, and advanced torque vectoring ensure the car sticks to the road like glue, whether you're tearing through corners or flying down a straight. Carbon ceramic brakes the size of dinner plates bring it back down from crazy speeds with absolute confidence. Every part of the driving experience has been fine-tuned to deliver maximum thrill without compromising safety. Naturally, all of this comes at a price, and it's as eye-watering as you'd expect. The 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon starts at around $5 million, and that's before you even think about customization. And knowing Bugatti's clientele, customization is a given. From bespoke color schemes to personalized interiors and one-of-a-kind finishes, buyers can easily push that price far higher. But for those lucky few who can afford it, price is no object. This is about owning one of the most exclusive, advanced, and beautiful cars ever built. Production numbers are expected to be extremely limited, making it not just a car but a future collectible that will likely appreciate in value over time. The 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon is more than just a hypercar. It's the pinnacle of what's possible when you combine artistry with raw engineering power. It doesn't just compete with other hypercars like the Koenigsegg Jesko or Rimac Navara, it sets a new standard that others will be chasing for years. From its jaw-dropping looks to its exquisite interior, from its mind-bending performance to its astronomical price tag, this car is designed to make history. It's a dream machine, a celebration of speed, and a piece of mechanical art that only a handful of people will ever get to own, but millions will admire. So, what do you think of the 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon? Is it the ultimate hypercar, or has Bugatti gone too far in chasing speed and luxury at any cost? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Addicts for more in-depth looks at the most exciting cars in the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.